Okay, here's how we are going to add another category onto the left and link directly to a Ecwid category. First of all, we must add the category within Ecwid. So, and notice I've got my tabs here. I'm just going to close this one out here. Okay, so I got, come on, close out, we don't need that one there. Okay, so we got Gmail, Ecwid, the website, and the back end of the website. So those are 4 good tabs to keep open in a browser. Okay, so we need to add a category. So we click categories here, and we're going to click new category, new root category. Oh, a new root category, let's just call it rentals. Okay, and let's just choose a photo for it. Oh, let's just choose a tuxedo and press upload. Okay, and let's change the name to Tuxedo Rentals. That's why it's a little more specific and perhaps even accurate. Okay, so Tuxedo Rental. We don't need text really here for description because it's more of it's pretty obvious what it is. But if you needed to clarify what the heck this category is for, then you can stick it in there. Oh, let's just go ahead and just stick in this text just to see where it shows up. Okay, so now I'm going to save it. And now I'm going to preview the category. And it's uploaded. And it looks like the image did not upload. I think I've done that a couple times. No, there's the image right there. Okay, so let's not worry about that at this point because it looks like it has been uploaded. Okay, now unlike adding products, when you add products to an existing category, they will automatically show up on the website in the correct place. But here I refresh it and Tuxedo Rentals do not show up. That's because these categories need to be added in the back end of Joomla, and here's how we're going to do it. First of all, we find the category ID. It's a bunch of string of numbers, and let's just find it here. I'm going to choose preview category again and click here, Tuxedo Rental. I'm trying to find the fastest way to get it. I see it down in the store. Okay, you can't choose it here, so let's just find. I did see it in the menu bar, but you may not have that availability. So I'm going to pause here and find the fastest way. Okay, so after doing a little research, I found that this is the best link for testing purposes to find out what the category IDs are. So you'll need to book this page as well. So again, looks like there's the Gmail, Ecwid control panel, and you probably don't need 2 of them. So I'm just going to delete this one. There's the website, the administrative area, and then there's this test link, which I'll put in an email. Basically, it's app.ecwid.com/JSP/your identifier/simple store. Okay, so what is the ID for this Tuxedo Rental? We have to click on this, and here we find it right here. I'm quite sure that's it right there, so I'm just going to copy that number there, which is 2529500, and I'm just going to back up a step and see what happens. Yeah, there's where that text that I stuck in there, that's where it shows up. But generally this is never going to be seen in the way that I set it up. So all we need again is this identifier here. So I'm just going to copy that and then go to the back end. And then I'm in the back end of Joomla. I'm going to left menu, add new menu item. And I'm going to choose the select button here. And I'm going to choose Ecwid default layout. and I'm going to leave everything blank except the category ID, which is 252-9500. I'm going to call this Tuxedo Rentals, and I'm going to type in here Tuxedo-Rentals. This is the search engine tag, so it's important that you make it search engine friendly, lowercase, dashes only. And then I'm just going to press save and close. Then I'm going to make sure that it went to the right place, and I can't see if it did, so I'm going to go back to left menu. There's Tuxedo Rentals. So it's basically, the other ones are capitalized, so I'm going to go back and change this to all caps here. Tuxedo Rentals. It's a stylistic thing, so I'm going to press save and close. If I wanted to change the order of this, I just press this button, but for now let's just go to the website and press the refresh button. And there's Tuxedo Rentals there. Now, let's just say, and there's no products in it yet. So it's an empty category, that's fine. See, there's the text that we're probably going to want to get rid of. So let's just, instead, say you want to make that a subcategory instead of a root category. What you can do to do that is you change it, instead of menu item root, you change it to tuxedos. So now when you press save, and then you go back and you refresh, well, that link no longer exists, so we have to go back to the home page, and we'll see it's a subcategory of tuxedos. Okay, so now let's go into Ecwid and move one of these products. Go to catalog, go to products, and let's change Tuxedo 5 text to Tuxedo Rental, and press save. And now we'll go back to the website, and if we click in here, it should now be visible, the one product. There we go there. So that's how we've added that product to that new category. So essentially you can have unlimited categories, just a matter of how you want to organize them. Now, if you're not going to have a lot of categories, you probably just want to keep them all on the root level, which means just keep it like this, just go root. And the reason is, the dilemma with subcategories is that some people may assume that you can't click on tuxedos. Okay, apologies for that. What was I doing here? Okay, yes, if you have a category over here and then a subcategory, people may assume that there's nothing in the primary category. So that's why it's, with just a few categories like this, it's probably just best to keep them, have none, no subcategories, have them all line up like that. And just for the heck of it, let's just refresh over here. Let's just go back to the store link. And the question is, how do you change the sequence here? It's not important on this store because no one will see this. This is kind of like a mobile app. This address here is really meant for testing purposes, and it could also be used for mobile applications. But just for completeness, let's just show you how to change the sequence or the order of the categories. So I'm just going to click here. Oops, cancel. I'm going to keep that in Tuxedo Rental. Press save, and then I'm going to go back to categories, and the way to change categories just is drag it. Say you want bridal here, so you can see you can even change it to subcategory, but I think that's the order that you want. If you wanted to make this a subcategory of tuxedos, you just drag it like that. So there you go. So I'm assuming just go like that for now, and I think that's it for now. So I'm sure there's more, and as far as the other ends of the back end of Joomla, Remy can help you with those specifically, but I would just just email us or ask Remy if you have any more questions. Thank you.